Welcome to the Tech Architect. My name is Imran Ashraf and you are watching Windows 10 Tips and Troubleshooting video series, and this is the 15th video of the series I found useful for you. That's why I am going to record this video, and this video is about the webcam hacking, how work from home employees can avoid from it. Viewers, if you are one of the millions of employees who find yourself working remotely because of the COVID-19 pandemics, video conferences and meetings have become a regular part of your daily work from home routine, and this is likely mean your webcam is being used more than it has in the past. But do you feel like you are being watched every time you use your computer, even your meeting is over? Your instinct might be right. So check webcam hacking is possibility. There are some good reasons so many people cover their webcams with the tape or dedicated webcam covers available with the webcam. It's pretty astounding that there still are people out there who can take time to hack into webcam. Besides, you may wonder why they would go through all that hustle with all the other ways to hack a subject and create mayhem. A hacker would just easily intercept the information being delivered, but don't let your guard down because of this. Some malicious actors out there will be go to great lengths to prey on people for the variety of reasons. So use the following techniques to avoid becoming a victim. The first is how to tell if someone is hacked your webcam. First, it is vital to have a good antivirus or anti-malware software on your computer, not only on these applications to stop ransomware or other attacks, but they can also protect your webcam privacy. But before you can put a stop at the potential webcam hacking, you first need to know the signs that someone else has gained control of your webcam. Here is what you should watch for. First of all, observe the indicator light. In your indicator light, is your indicator light on? Is it flickering or acting abnormally? This is your first sign things are not right. It might indicate that you are being watched, but before you consider taking action, check that no apps are running in the background. Some apps tend to use your webcam once in a while, such as monitoring software that your employer has installed with your approval, of course. While working remotely, to be on the safe side, do something cross-checking. The next thing is go through your storage file. Check whether there are video or audio files in your storage that were not created by you. If someone is spying on you using your webcam, your computer will store some details. You could easily figure out there are audio or video files you didn't create when you go to the webcam recording folder or folders. Check for mysterious application. In instances where you might download a virus or a malware without knowing your webcam might be used. Your camera will run as a part of an app that you are unaware of. In such a case, do you see a notification telling you that your webcam is in use? If yes, then clearly an application is using it. Do a malware scan. This is done to figure out the nature of the app potentially using your webcam. Running a malware scan is easy. You simply need to follow the steps below. Boot your computer into safe mode. This helps in stopping every you can say everything other than the necessary programs and drives. Delete all all temporary files. This will speed up the scanning process. Run the antivirus that is installed your computer. This will enable you to detect any virus present. Run the Google Chrome built-in malware scanner. If it detects the virus that your antivirus program could not see, thanks it is up-to-date library of viruses. Next is check your camera. Keenly observe your camera always. Is it behaving abnormally with the regular enhancements in a technology? Cameras are becoming even more sophisticated. Some are designed to move around for better video capture. In other instances, the camera tend to adjust their lenses for the clearer version. So check for these signs. If you are not using your camera, it is advisable to block your camera if you are not using it. Check your webcam security settings. If someone has hacked into your camera, then they must have altered the security password of your camera. Here are ways to figure out, like if the password to your camera has been changed to the default setting. You are finding it difficult to make changes to your settings, the admin name has been changed, or your firewall has been switched off. The next item is observe your data flow. By doing this, you will figure out how much data is being used during an online session. If you see sudden increase in internet data being used, then there is the cause of alarm. The next thing is attempt to use your webcam. You might consider closing all running programs and applications before doing this, or to getting a notification that your camera is in use when you try to use it. This might indicate that your cam has been hacked. In the next slide, how to avoid webcam spying. This kind of situation might leave you vulnerable and at risk for blackmailing. To save you from such trouble, here are ways to avoid computer webcam hacks. First of all, ensure that your firewall is always enabled. A firewall keeps all the suspicious activities and connections at all by the time. You can either use your computer's built-in firewall or get your hands on third-party firewall. They all work. The main thing is you must use one. If you want to going with the built-in firewall of your computer, go to the control panel and the system and security. And in my last video, I told you Windows Defender firewall. You can turn it on. The next thing is be aware of phishing. There are instances where the hackers may operate to be support agent. They may contact you claiming that there might be an issue with your computer. Don't fall prey to this. Ensure that you do the background checks on your computer yourself. Another widespread phishing campaign is bogus email inviting you to Zoom or the Microsoft Teams video conference. Zoom especially becomes because it is immense popularity during the pandemic, has continuously been in the cross check. The next thing is the cover your webcams when not using it. If you are not using your webcam, cover it. It is simple as that. It will prevent someone from watching you using your webcam, even if you have you hacked by chance. Avoid using public Wi-Fi. Free stuff, especially Wi-Fi, is very enticing. As enticing as it may seem, you should better to stay away from it. Public Wi-Fi networks are prone to hacking, and that's why the hackers love them. You might turn out to be easy prey on the public internet. If you must use the public Wi-Fi, you may consider using VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your connection. The top available VPN out there are such as ExpressVPN or NordVPN. The next thing is up-to-date antivirus programs. Keeping your antivirus up to date is critical because new malware, viruses and spyware appearance almost daily. A quality antivirus will get update often to help detect and bust malicious threats before they get to launch any harm. The next thing is alarm question. Always question what the hackers have on you. When the hacker contacts you and claim that they hacked into your webcam, usually a claim they evidence you have done something embarrassing or illegal, find out precisely what they claim to have on you. Establish whether the stories they are telling you are accurate. Is there a tale making sense, keeping in mind that they target your emotions and usually have not really hacked your webcam. They are just hoping you will fall for their scam and you will pay up. The last thing is webcam hacking. Keep your eyes open. Achieving maximum possible computer security is like completing a puzzle. You need to make multiple pieces fit into right place, but fortunately most of that only require a little legwork and perception. All in all, always be on the lookout. Observation is the essential key, especially when trying to figure out whether someone is spying on you. Viewers, that's all about how we can figure out if the webcam is your webcam is hacked. If you have learned something new, please share this video with your friend and feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this, and bye for now.